Take off your glasses. So, what are we talking about today? Today, I continue to talk about a topic that we have discussed in some videos related to applications in dynamic underground. Some time ago, in another video, I had previously discussed double-wall heat exchangers and the unique characteristics of these exchangers, as well as the various applications in which they are utilized. It is a type of heat exchanger that has the particularity of having a double plate, that is, a double wall. To avoid mixing between primary and secondary fluid in case of drilling, corrosion, or breakage of a plate is the purpose of this. These exchangers are also employed in the hydraulic sector, particularly in highly delicate and intricate applications. To provide an example of the importance of a mechanical component like a reducer in an energy production turbine, consider the cooling of the oil as an illustration. Without a doubt, the existence of water in the oil results in permanent and irreversible damage that cannot be repaired. At this point, double-wall heat exchangers are used. The most traditional application involves tubular bundle heat exchangers with double tubes, double walls, which have the particularity of having heads built in such a way that if there is a leak, this leak ends up in a chamber between the two heads. Consequently, it is possible to verify that there is a leak, intervene, repair, etc. With the plate heat exchanger, as we have already seen before, mixing cannot occur due to the breakage of a gasket because in the nozzle area, as we have repeated many times, there is a double gasket, so even in case of breakage of a gasket along the perimeter of the exchanger, they are open towards the outside. In the Bocello area, they should also be open outwardly. In the event of a plate breakage, there is an air gap between one plate and another, which causes an oil or water leakage to the outside. This leakage is easily visible and, as a result, easily repairable. Advantages and disadvantages of this solution? Let's say that the advantages are only related to safety. That is when we have an absolute need to avoid mixing between primary fluid and secondary fluid, in this case, oil and water. There are downsides as they're exchangers with a higher cost, since being a double plate doubles the number of plates. We have 2 plates instead of 1. Higher cost due to materials, worsened exchange coefficients from greater thickness and air gap, resulting in increased material and exchange surface. In addition to more material, we also have more exchange surface. As the exchange coefficients decrease, we need a larger surface area to obtain the same heat exchange characteristics, therefore the same thermodynamic characteristics. Undoubtedly, it's a solution that in some cases is necessarily applied to prevent certain problems. Greetings all, thanks for listening.